Welcome back to Sharon's DIY Studio, where we bring to you home decor, DIYs, gift ideas, and tips and tricks that you can add to your tool belt. And today we will be doing an Easter basket for my niece, and she's older, so she's about to turn 16. She likes more grown-up products, so I made this basket a little different. So as you can see, I am creating the sign for my foam board. I'm putting Happy Easter. I didn't do, a big backboard. I cut it down a little more so that they can be a little more compact. I will be posting another video for a boy, which is my nephew, that I will be uploading as well. So make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell so that I can notify you when I drop these videos. So I use my Cricut machine to make my Happy Easter sign, and also I use holographic vinyl to put on my basket. Okay, I will link everything in the description below. No extra charge to you. I'm just looking out so that you can create amazing projects like this. Okay, so as you can see, I'm doing my basket. I put my niece's name on it, Amani. It looks beautiful. I love holographic vinyl. It just puts an amazing touch on the baskets. I also went to Five Below. They have amazing products for affordable prices, and I picked up this beautiful pillow with the sun and the moon on it. She loves positivity like her auntie, so I got her also a journal, or I would say a notebook that says the possibilities of you. Okay, so like I said, I do not preach positivity for no reason. I really give it to everybody because I feel like the more positive you are, the better your life will be. All right, so just to show you what I'm doing, I already did the basket and I personalized it, which is a great touch when you're making basket. Everyone loves a personalized basket, so if you're interested in making baskets, keep in mind everybody loves to feel special, so that little touch can add to it. And as I discussed before, you always want to put things in the basket that they love, that when they take them out, they just can't wait to use it, or they can't wait to put it in their house, just like that pillow, something decorative. So all of the candies I got from the Dollar Tree, which I propped up on the sides of the basket using foam board. I layered it so that it could give a decorative look on one side and also on the other side. And my basket, I didn't really tape the foam boards on the side correctly, so it kind of made the basket a little lopsided because I was rushing. So listen, when you're doing these baskets, make sure you're not rushing, because you do not want to go through this whole process and then see one little mistake and you're like, oh my God, the basket is staying like that. Okay, so take your time, do it right. I always have my tissue paper, my shredded paper, and I just go at it. All right, so the things that I got from Five Below was this beautiful pillow, the notebook, and the gel pens. And let me tell you something, when you do a basket and you want everything that's in the basket for yourself, you're doing a good job. Because I literally got the notebook and I was getting ready to buy the gel pens, but I said, girl, do not do it. All right, so just keep on with the creativities. I always put candies in my baskets. I always put something that they can write with, that can actually, bring them joy and they actually can use, right? We need functional baskets. All right, and on to the next part of the video. As you know, I love to use shrink wrap, so I use the bigger size shrink wrap. I would list it in the description below. I usually use this one and the smaller shrink wrap bag that I will list also in the description. I made a basket with a smaller shrink wrap in the next video that I will be putting out, so make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell, and come back to watch some more videos. All right guys, so we are coming up to the end of the video and I'm just shrink wrapping my basket. Every time I do a basket, I try to pull all of the shrink wrap to the back of the basket so that it can have a cleaner look. This one, I didn't pull it all the way to the back because it had so much shrink wrap. I am going to try to find a smaller shrink wrap that's in between this size. So if I'm not using a longer foam board, I won't have this issue. Okay, so I had my mother help me because this basket was heavy. I like to jam pack my basket, so sometimes I usually have this issue. I never could pick up the basket by myself and tape the bottom because it'll stick to whatever I'm working on. Okay, so if you need a little help, ask somebody. So being that I didn't use the full shrink wrap size, I cut down the shrink wrap, but I cut it in a circular motion so that it can still have a clean look to it. I tie wrap the basket, then I shrink wrap the basket. I like to start from the bottom up and also the back so that we can bring it in. Then I added my ribbon, then I added my bow, and finally get the whole basket together. Alright, so thank you for watching my video. Make sure you subscribe, check out the photos of the finished basket. Comment below if you really enjoyed this video and if you would try out this basket. See you soon.